Yes, the boys. What's going on? So, changing the lure over from this to this.
There we are.
Look at that.
Right, we've got
We're in the middle of
13
Manchester.
minutes, 29 minutes.
People fishing everywhere, saying it's absolutely dog shit today. So,
What you're calling that for?
because man, we've got to tell the people what it's like. Look at that.
Well, we're messing about with the GoPro at the minute as well.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
telling him how much footage we've got because I've left a battery in the car, which you weren't happy with.
Dickhead.
Who's your mate?
Dickhead alert. Oh yeah. Fucking hell, Nathan. You almost going in the canal, bro. You haven't got your waterproof fucking thingy on.